Now we're going to talk about calculating the amount and percent of increase or decrease. So the first thing we need to know is the formula. So the formula to calculate the percent of increase or decrease is new minus old divided by old. Now you have already been doing this when you're calculating your percentage change in speed on your timings. So the way you would use this formula on your timings is new means the newest timing, and then you subtract your old timing, the very first one you did, and then you divide by the old timing. Now instead of calling this percent of increase or decrease, it's probably easier to just call this formula the percent of change. And as you see, it's the same formula, just a different name. Now this percentage of change is used very frequently in the business world. For example, companies calculate their percentage change of revenue and percentage change in profit all the time. So let's do an example. Let's say sales this year of a company were $661,200. Last year's sales totaled $580,000. What is the amount and percent of increase or decrease? So remember, here is the formula. So the new minus old part is actually just calculating the amount of change, or the amount of increase or decrease. And then when you divide by the old number, that's when you're calculating the percentage change. So step one, we want to find the amount of change, either increase or decrease, by subtracting the new amount from the old amount. The new amount is $661,200. We subtract $580,000. So it looks like sales increased $81,200. Step two, we want to find the percentage of change, or the percentage of increase or decrease, by dividing the amount of change by the old amount. So we take the amount of change, 81,200, divide by the older sales number, 580,000, and that gives us 0.14. So to convert that decimal to a percentage, you multiply by 100 or just move the decimal 2 places to the right. And then on the next slide, I'll show you the calculator steps to do this. So here's the same problem. So here's how we're going to calculate it. First of all, we have to remember our formula. Percentage change is new minus old divided by old. So because this is addition and subtraction, we have to clear. So we're going to enter the new number, 661,200, plus, and then the old number, 580,000 minus, and then we're immediately going to divide by the old number. Divided by 580,000, hit the percent sign, and you should get 14, which means 14%. So it looks like sales have increased 14%. Well, that's good. Let's try another one. Last year, notice last year's underlined because that's important. Last year, a company had net income of $442,000. This year, the net income was $397,800. What is the amount and percent of increase or decrease? Well, now make sure you understand which year is a new year, which year is the last year. So here's our formula, new minus old divided by old. So now which year is newer? So the 397,800 is the newer year. So we're going to asterisk declare the new year is 397,800 plus, subtract the previous year, 442,000 minus, divided by 442,000, hit the percent key, and you should get negative 10. So don't forget that this is a negative number. So it looks like our net income has dropped 10%. So what we're going to do on this one, we're going to calculate the amount and the percentage change in the company's accounts receivable. Notice the first column is 2009 and the second column is 2008. So our instructions say set the decimal selector to F, and then we will round the answer to 2 decimals. And then I put a reminder on the slide, the formula is new minus old divided by old. So which number is the new number? It's the 28,000. So first of all, we're going to calculate the amount of change. So we're going to clear it. 28,000 is the new number, plus 29,000 minus, and to print that on your tape, hit asterisk. And what's on your tape should be negative $1,000. So the amount of change in accounts receivable is minus 1,000. And so we've done the top part of the formula, new minus old. Now we just need to divide by the old number. So to calculate the percentage of change, we'll start over. We'll say 28,000 plus 29,000 minus, divided by 29,000, hit the percent, and you should get a percentage change of, when we round it to 2 decimals, minus 3.45%.